Honey, I just wanted to take this moment to let you know how much I appreciate you, how much I love you and love having you in my life, your constant companionship, your unconditional love.
Douglas, do you remember when I told you that I partnered with Ring to find a pet for their new commercial? It turns out that for every photo and video submitted, Ring is gonna make a donation. Up to $500,000 for animals in need. No, Douglas, I can't submit a photo of you because you're a Nepo puppy. I can't even submit a photo of Jeremy. Look, he's inconsolable.
Oh, Jeremy, I'm so sorry.
So just dogs and lizards then?
Oh, no, all pets are welcome.
Just submit a photo or video from your existing Ring camera using the hashtag #RingPets on Instagram or TikTok.
I'm also partnering with the ASPCA to help pick one lucky winner. Let me guess. Do you have a cat?
Cats! With an S, Drew Barrymore, I have 12. Nibbles, Sweet Tabitha, Angry Tabitha, Rebound.
I couldn't help but
Parachute.
overhear. But do you think my Frenchie has a chance?
Oh, my Frenchie. That's the cutest dog in the world. Dougie, I didn't mean it. Dougie?
Dougie? Dougie!